Hey everyone who's clicked on this video. Today we got a special. I'm gonna unbox this Loot Crate. What is Loot Crate? I'm glad that you asked. Loot Crate is the... Loot Crate is the... See, you send the money, they send you a box of shit every month. It's fucking awesome. So let's take a look and see what is inside my Loot Crate. Okay, so the first thing we got today is this ripped tissue. It's pretty awesome, but pretty cool, I guess. Oh, we got a balloon. That's pretty fun. Oh, it's broken. Oh well. Okay, so the next thing we got is this thing from the inside of toilet paper. Never have enough of those. Wow. Okay, so this is pretty interesting. It's you got a piece of paper here. It says, "The dreams are coming reality." Oh, it's a photo of Jimmy is here. I miss you, Jimmy, and I wish that Mom and Dad were still alive. Okay, so what do we got next? A new foot holder. Yes! They don't look the same, but that is okay. So I think we got one more thing in here. What is this? So that is not cocaine, that is plain flour. Okay, so that does it for this Loot Crate unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to get one of these Loot Crates for your very own, there's a link in the description where you can purchase for the low price of $29.95. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, hit all of the buttons that I like you to do.